Are you looking to tap into the growing world of data? With businesses everywhere shifting towards data-driven decision-making, starting a data analytics business in Malaysia is the perfect opportunity to capitalize on this trend. Data analytics is about making sense of the numbers, turning raw data into actionable insights for companies, helping them improve performance, reduce costs, and create value. The market for data-driven solutions is booming, and Malaysia is the perfect place to start your business. Malaysia offers a competitive advantage with its advanced tech infrastructure, growing demand for analytics services, and government initiatives supporting tech and innovation. Plus, the country is home to a skilled workforce in IT and analytics. So, how can you get started? First, identify your niche. Are you focusing on marketing analytics, financial forecasting, or business intelligence? Next, build your expertise and create a solid business plan. And lastly, don't forget about registering your business and getting all the necessary documents so that you can operate smoothly and effectively. With the right strategy, your data analytics business can offer solutions that drive success. Ready to start your data analytics business? Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today and let's make your dream business into a reality.